Freelance jobs for beginners with Fiverr gigs and work from experience. Simple ways to make money online. If you're looking to make some good money on the side, the Fiverr is where you'll want to be. Graphic designers, copywriters, coders, marketers, YouTubers, web designers, these are just some of the professions that are thriving online. What if you're just looking to make some extra money on the side? Can you actually earn some decent income online with little to no skills? The answer is yes. All you need is an internet connection and a go-get attitude. In this video, we've compiled examples of easy freelance jobs for beginners that are found on Fiverr.com. Fiverr is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell a huge variety of services. The minimum price of a service is $5. However, the prices can reach $25, $50 or even $100 plus for high-profile services. All of the work listed here can be done with little to no experience, and minimal time investment. You can start today if you'd like. Keep in mind, though, that you'll have to build up your Fiverr profile with reviews before you start getting a steady amount of work. How many you'll need depends on the niche of your product. Also, because of the general low cost of the gigs, repeat buyers is very common on Fiverr. Just treat your customers with great care, and you'll be swimming in plenty of 5-star reviews eventually. Before I start, a quick disclaimer: no, you won't become a millionaire by doing this. However, if you complete a solid number of orders, you could be generating hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars each month. Please subscribe this channel and click the thumbs up button, and to join Fiverr click the link below in description. Naturally, if you're really dedicated, you could potentially make a livable income from it, plenty of people earning already. Alright, let's go through the list. Proofreading. Do you have a decent grasp of the English language? Proofreading is the process of finding and fixing spelling, grammar, punctuation and formatting mistakes. It is the final step in the writing and editing process. Proofreading symbols are time-saving devices used to correct misspellings, punctuation errors and formatting issues. If so, you can sell your services as a proofreader. On Fiverr, the average price for proofreading alone is about $5 per 1,000 words. Once you get more efficient at it, you can see how easily you could make $50 plus each day by just doing this. Mockups. If you have basic image editing skills, you can do this one with ease. You don't have to be an experienced graphic designer. All you have to do is to digitally attach a logo or image onto, or into, an object in another image. This will most often involve putting a logo on a t-shirt, or a screenshot of an app or a website onto various devices. You just made $5 or more. Could you bang out 10 of these orders in a day? Before going ahead, go to description below this video to join Fiverr earning money. File conversion. So, what does this job entail, exactly? Well, depending on the file type that needs to be converted, this could potentially be as easy as dragging and dropping a file onto a free browser software. See this PDF conversion tool, for example. In other cases, you might need to download a program to do it properly. Either way, this job doesn't exactly rob you of your time or energy. Some easy profit to be made here, and a large chance of repeat buyers that need a bunch of files converted. Blog comments. Website owners see engagement level as one of the key positive metrics when looking over their analytics. Could you do this? I bet you could. As long as you make sure the comments you leave are relevant and well written, you're good to go. As you can see in comments in all social media, blogs, articles and videos, you can easily make package deals for this service as well. Translation. But learning a language takes lots of time and effort, right? Yes, it normally does, but that's not the case for everyone. Are your parents from different countries of origin? Did you learn more than one language growing up? If so, you're basically automatically qualified for this type of job. Price your services low in the beginning, and it should be easy to get your foot in the door. Once you've leveled your seller account, this gig can actually generate a pretty decent income after a while. If you're lucky enough to be fluent in 2 or more major languages, such as English and French, for example, there's a lot of demand for you to tap into. Drop servicing. As you know, freelancing Fiverr gigs are very low price, so you can find similar jobs in other freelance sites and buy services from Fiverr and deliver the same service in higher price to the other freelance sites. By this you can make lots of money. There are many works in Fiverr you can do as a freelancer from home. There's no reason to wait around, there's money to be made. And last but not least, you can become Fiverr affiliate and earn commission. So go to description below this video to join Fiverr earning money. Thanks for watching video. Cheers.